In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class 9, and very good morning to all of you. As you know, dear students, in a previous lecture we understood the lesson health is well. We also knew about the health, how can we keep our health, and what things we should get rid of that are dangerous or harmful to our health. So now in today's lecture we will come to the exercise answer to these questions, then after we will go to the another step. So here comprehension, answer these questions. Why did Kaushik's mother refuse to buy sweets from the first shop? So my dear students, the first question's answer is that the mother, Kaushik's mother, refused to buy sweets from the first shop because the shop was dirty or uncovered. Why was the second shop dirty? In the first shop there was fly sitting on the sweets. In the second question, why was the second shop dirty? The second shop was dirty because there was dust on it. So in third question, my dear student, why do the flies and dust, what do flies and dust carry? So my dear students, flies and dust carry germs. How are disease caused? My dear students, disease are caused due to the germs. Number 5, how do flies carry germ to food? So flies carry germs that are restricted in on their legs, and these flies sit on food and they contaminate our food. And 6, how do we get malaria? So we get malaria due to the bite of mosquitoes. So how do we get rid of malaria? So we can get rid of malaria by using DDT and using spray. So we can get rid of it. So because these were the answer to these questions, now come to the grammar structure. Here the some and any. So my dear students, you have to keep in your mind that we use some in affirmative sentence, or in other words we use in positive sense. Any has some and any have same meaning, but any used in a negative and interrogative sentences. So let's see how these uses in the sentences. Here in A, in one of the shops he saw some sweets. He saw some sweets is a affirmative sentence or positive. You should not buy. So my dear student, here should not is a negative, and I have just told you that any should be used in negative sense or negative sentences. So you should not buy any sweets from this shop. Any. Can we buy any sweets? So here interrogative in number C. In interrogative we can also use any. Can we buy any sweets from here? There is some water in the jug. So in number D is a affirmative sentence, means positive sentence. Some. There is not means any. Is there is interrogative, definitely there will be use of any. So my dear students, here to express quantity or degree, some is used only in affirmative sentence, while any negative and interrogative sentence with both countable and uncountable, as I told you. Okay. So here the blanks are given, and where you have to put either some or any. Some and any you have put correct as some and any in the blanks. Please give me blank more pudding. I am sorry, there is not. Okay, so I can solve one for you. Please give me some more. I am sorry, there is not. So as I told you, in negative sense you can use any. So further example you can solve like this. So here, my dear students, some uses as a pronoun or as a adjective. So here, my dear students, as a pronoun, some or even any other part of speech uses before helping verb or before main verb. Suppose I use there some. Some are fine and some are tired. Okay, here some are, you see here that is after some there is a helping word, it means to be verb or. So whenever there is after a word or after a parts of speech there is a verb, you can also say that this word used as a pronoun. If the sum is used with noun, suppose some students are clever. Here after some there is a students. Whenever after some use with noun, it will be considered some use as an adjective. So some can be used as a pronoun and as an adjective. So my dear students, here some and any use as a pronoun. Some are, you can see here after some there is a helping verb. Some are born great. Some says also verb. Anyone can do this work. We did not see any. See after see means any. So now come to the some as adjective. Some shops. My dear student, you see here that after some there is a noun. Shop is a noun and some is used with noun. So it will be considered as an adjective. Some people, some men, any person can do this work. So I think you have gotten my point of views. Okay, this was a some and any. So here is also each, every. So my dear students, as in earlier exercise I have told you about the usage of each and every. My dear student, once again I tell you about that each usage of each and every. So each used as an individual or as a limited sense when there is an exact number. Every uses when there is a not limited number. Suppose I say you if a teacher says to the students and he is calling them that each student, suppose each student come forward. If a teacher says every student come forward, so there is a difference. In first sentence, teacher is calling means one by one student. He is not calling collective means all students. मीन्स इट मीन्स ही इज़ कॉलिंग वन बाय वन। मीन्स यहाँ क्या होगा कि टीचर जो बुला रहा है कि एक एक स्टूडेंट को बुला रहा है कि एक आ जाए, उसके बाद दूसरा, उसके बाद तीसरा, इस हिसाब से एवरी, जब यहाँ एवरी स्टूडेंट यूज़ होगा तो मीन्स ऑल स्टूडेंट, मीन्स सब आ सकते हैं। ओके, देयर विल बी नो इंडिविजुअल। सो लाइक दिस, so here my dear students, 5 boys were, my dear student, here you noted the 5 is a number, this is a limited number. 5 boys were seated on each bench. अगर यहाँ आपको चॉइस में दिया गया हो कि यहाँ ईच एंड एवरी का यूज़ करें तो यहाँ होगा कि ईच, क्योंकि 5 इज़ अ लिमिटेड नंबर। एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, जहाँ लिमिटेड नंबर हो कि वहाँ आप ईच यूज़ कर सकते हैं। एवरी बॉय हैड अ सेपरेट सीट, यहाँ लिमिटेशन नहीं है। एवरी बॉय हैड अ सेपरेट सीट, जो जितने भी बॉयज़ थे उन सब के पास सीट थी। पता नहीं वो कितने बॉयज़ थे, हमको पता नहीं है कि मतलब एग्जैक्ट नंबर क्या था। एवरी बॉय वॉज वेयरिंग हिज यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेप्ट शरीफ। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एक्सेप्ट माना अलावा, जिसके साइड में हम यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं, बट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं इधर। इट रेनेड एवरी डे ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट मंथ। ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, लास्ट मंथ तो है, लेकिन हमको ये एग्जैक्ट नंबर पता नहीं है कि वो इस लास्ट मंथ में कितने दिन मतलब बारिश हुई। तो एग्जैक्ट नंबर सपोज करें कि इट रेनेड 5 डेज, 5 ईच डेज यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि 5 नंबर एग्जैक्ट है या मीन्स लिमिटेड नंबर है, वहाँ ईच यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ओके, आई वॉज अवे फॉर अ वीक एंड इट रेनेड एवरी डे। सो यहाँ अ वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं और पता नहीं कि मतलब वो उनके सेंस में कितने दिन मतलब बारिश हुई। सो जब आपको ये पता ना हो कि एग्जैक्ट नंबर का या इवन नंबर का पता ना हो तो वहाँ एवरी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इट रेन एवरी डे एक्सेप्ट संडे। ओके, एक्सेप्ट मीन्स अलावा, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया। ईच एंड एवरी एज ए प्रोनाउन, जैसे कि मैंने इन प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल मैंने बताया कि आपको कि ईच एंड एवरी अगर एज अ वर्ब के तौर पे यूज़ करें